Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about editors, spelling and grammar, thesaurus and word count. So these three options are located in the review tab. So I intentionally did some mistakes. So let's see if Microsoft Word can give me suggestions and check my mistakes. So in editor we have spelling and grammar. In spelling, Word says that it's not have but rather have, and it's large. So just by clicking this and the word gets changed. And if you want, it's like it's swimment only, it's not swimming, so you can just click ignore and this will get removed. And we can change it. So in the grammar tab we can change. It says that this is not correct, so we have to just remove this and keep a full stop and go back, and Word says there are no more suggestions and everything is correct. Your clarity is correct, your formality, your vocabulary, everything is correct. So thesaurus. Thesaurus shows you synonyms and other words for a word. So I want to change the word beautiful. So just copy it with your cursor and go to thesaurus. So thesaurus says not only beautiful, but you can use lovely, attractive, pretty, good looking, gorgeous, charming, handsome, etc. etc. So I want good looking to replace beautiful here. So keep watching guys. Good looking, insert, and here you go. Good looking is here. So this is how you use thesaurus. And the last but not the least is word count. Word count is located here. It shows you its statistics of what you have written, like how many pages, how many words, how many characters, how many paras. So yeah, you can check all these, and the shortcut for word count is on the left side bottom, this, and the same dialog box appears, but this is the shortcut. So yeah guys, thank you, and I hope this video has helped you a lot. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. I will see you soon. Thank you.